Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Singh. I am from Institute of Engineering and Science, IPS Academy, Indore, and currently I am working in Tudip Technology as Associate Subject Matter Expert from last 1 year. And I thank Tudip for giving me this opportunity. And I hope you will be the next Tudipian. And all the best for your campus recruitment drive.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. This is Aishwarya Kamath, your super senior from batch 2021 CSE, and I have completed my BTech from IPS Academy, and I have joined Tudip Technology back in November 2021, and my journey with Tudip Technology has been amazing and wonderful so far. I have learned a lot of things here, and the working environment in Tudip is quite good. You guys gonna have lots of fun, and you guys gonna learn a lot of things. And we have lots of celebration in Tudip as well. And I have joined Tudip as associate subject matter expert, and my team is really amazing, and we have quite supportive and motivative seniors. They are always there for you, so feel free to join, and you guys gonna learn a lot of things over here. And I wish you luck for your campus drive, and this is your opportunity. Grab this opportunity, and this is the moment you guys are waiting for. So I wish you luck for your campus drive. Thank you.
Hi, myself Sakshi Kashyap. I am graduated from Sri Vaishnav Vidyapit Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, and currently working as Associate Software Developer at Tudip.
Hi, myself Vanshita Agrawal. I have completed BTech from Sri Vaishnav Vidyapit Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. Recently, I am working as Associate Software Developer from last 6 months at Tudip.
All the best for your campus drive. Hope you will be the next Tudipian.